What's up, you beautiful people? Bringing you the GoPro Sling Crossbody Pack directly from GoPro. Wanted to go ahead and show you guys exactly what you receive and how it comes. Basically, you just receive the pack just like this with the little icon. Sling Crossbody crossover pack here. And let's go and take a look and see what we get here. Get a couple of good icons here. It goes to one of the icons inside. Got yourself a limited lifetime warranty. And for starters, you can go ahead and take a look here. Sling is a sleek, minimalist crossbody bag that you can also wear as a waist pack. Perfect for urban commutes, single day adventures, cycling, and more. And then you can get that in a different language. You have your valuables pocket, 2-in-1 carry solution, weather resistant construction, and then here it goes into the actual symbols. This right here is your valuables pocket. Here you have your weather resistant construction, and here's the 2-in-1 carry solution. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what else we get. The volume on this one here is also 2.2 liters, dimensions 14.2 inches by 5.7 inches by 3.3 inches. In the back is just your limited warranty information. You can take a snapshot, pause the video, and take a reading from there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual sling itself. And from here, we'll go ahead and take a look at the water-resistant construction. You can see with the construction of that zipper, it is pretty water-resistant from that. And let's go ahead and open that up. And here, that's something I actually had in there from earlier. And it's a good fabric design, pretty good size, and you can see from that construction there. Let's take a look at, open it from here. From here, you can actually put anything else as a device here on this end. And it's pretty good construction. You have your key holder, which is right here. And there's another internal zipper here. And this is for the valuables, that zipper. And then you also have some pockets here, which are cross-section and separate, just like that. All right, guys, well, this is the GoPro Sling Bag. They say that there's actually ways to carry your larger tripods in here, be on the go. Put it around your back, put it around your waist, and seeing how you like that. I kind of also like the design of the buckle. It's about twice the size. Pretty durable as well. Good clicking system here. Some other fanny packs or sling bags, they're like half the size, but this is a pretty good durable size here. And I like that they have these little pieces here to keep it from just waving in the air, so you can keep it kind of managed with the slack from the ropes. Anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and feel free to give it a thumbs up if you like the content, and leave a comment below with any questions that you have with the bag, or if you even got yourself a GoPro Sling pack as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.